Usually, when a dryer is not drying and the customer can't get their laundry done, it is because there is a clog on the roof, either by one of these screens which completely block the vent, or it's just clogged with lint. But at this house, the roof vent was fine, but the actual dryer vent itself was completely clogged. You could see this huge clog. It started from where it connected to the dryer and went all the way up to about halfway up the vent, a complete clog. I had to empty my vacuum a couple of times, kept getting clogged up. This was one of the worst actual dryer vent clogs I've ever seen, but once I got it cleaned, then the dryer was working perfectly.